Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom again in order to find the build number, which may be quite confusing for you, but no worries, we need the build number in order to activate the developer options in which we will be able to find the automatic system updates. So all you have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and then let's go back to the system. Not the system, sorry, the general settings. And after getting back, we can actually enter the system. So let's tap, and here we've got the developer options. So let's enter. A quick disclaimer, we do have a video about the developer options of how to turn them off, how to use them, what kind of options you've got here, how to customize them. So I highly recommend to simply check our video about the developer options, if you want to, of course. So if we are on the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find the automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case, this option is turned on, but if you've got it turned off, just like here, just tap on the switcher. And from now on, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not really have to remember about not restarting, but updating your device manually. Just remember about restarting your device from time to time. So basically that's all. This is how to allow automatic system updates in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.